But this is big. This is very big because I don't think you guys understand the main thing that keeps people from being successful traders is lack of time and lack of skill. So this takes out the equation. You don't need to learn the skill. If your intention is to not learn how to trade, if your intention is to just strictly make money, then this is for you. It's a way for you to make money and get into the game. I hope you understand business. I hope you understand risk management because this is who's going to be handling your money. Welcome back to another video, everyone. And today we have a little bit of a different video. I'm here to give you guys value. The vlog is still going to be tonight, so stay tuned for that. The vlog is not going to stop. Today's a double upload. This was originally supposed to be in yesterday's video, but since I was running around all day, the jet skiing and everything, I wasn't able to make it happen. But nonetheless, we're going to make it happen today. I want to talk about copy trading. Copy trading is a new update that Hanko Trade just recently updated. The last update they had was going from having only just being able to trade online, being able to trade on the desktop, to being able to trade on your phone. And I've been using it ever since. If you guys watch the vlogs, you know I take Hanko trades probably at least once or twice a week, and I've withdrawn hundreds, thousands of dollars from Hanko trades. So if they're valid, that's not the question. I've documented it. I've shown the withdrawals. I've shown me making the withdrawals, multiple withdrawals into my crypto account, into my bank account. I don't really know how much more proof you want, but if you want proof, I'll show you and everything. Just watch the videos. So proof is within there. But nonetheless, I think this is going to be something that's going to make me more money. Why? Because I don't think you guys understand what copy trading even is. So first things first, let me read you what copy trading is. If I were to give you the exact definition of what copy trading is a form of trading that allows individuals to automatically copy trades of experienced traders, also known as leaders. It's a popular choice for beginners who lack time to actively trade. So what does that mean? Basically, Hanko Trade is allowing an option for you to get your money traded from somebody else. It's allowing an option for you to potentially get your money traded from an experienced trader. Not saying me, because me personally, I don't know if I really want to trade other people's money. I definitely think it's an option at one point, but as of right now, I personally don't want to, just because I don't want that type of responsibility. I don't want to have that kind of weight on my shoulders at this point in my life. But this is big. This is very big because I don't think you guys understand the main thing that keeps people from being successful traders is lack of time and lack of skill. So this takes out the equation. This is essentially, I will compare funding an account and having somebody else trade it for you is the equivalent to you trying to have someone pass your prop firm for you to get the funded account. This is like the next best version, but in this case, you don't need to learn the skill. If your intention is to not learn how to trade, if your intention is to just strictly make money, then this is for you. If you want to learn how to be a trader, then I wouldn't do this specifically. But for the people that want to make money, fast money, and without having to go through the whole 2, 3, 4, 5 years of learning, this is something that could definitely be beneficial to you. So another thing, it says why copy trading. So essentially, it's accessible to even if you're new to trading, you can start right away following seasoned traders. And this is big. So say, for example, if you've never watched a video of mine before, just off of this, you can, if I would say aloud, if I had it set up to where I was able to trade your money for you, you could do it off that, and you can immediately be making money off it. Will you know what I'm doing to make that money? No. But this is a way for you to make money and get into the game, understand the game, learn the game. And honestly, it's kind of better because it's not like there's a certain limit to how much you could deposit. It's really up to you when it comes to how much you're willing to lose. And yeah, it's already live. Like I said, I was originally going to make this video. I wanted to talk about it a little bit before, but I didn't have the time to do it. So having a dedicated video, just because I know a lot of people ask the questions when it comes to Hanko. Hanko is valid. I fuck with Hanko. I've been using them for a couple months now. So basically, I'm going to take you guys into the computer version of this. And once we get into the computer version, we're going to be looking at everything when it comes to creating that account, when it comes to like looking at the top leaders, because there's a whole process behind this. It's not random. This is actually thoroughly thought out. And we're going to see exactly how it works, because I would be lying if I said I'm 100% up to date with it. So let's see what this has to offer. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. It looks like there's a lot of potential opportunity, but you never know what you know, so let's find out. But once we get into the actual Hanko trade and everything, you can clearly see we have recent live trading accounts, and we have recent trading, recent demo accounts. I can't speak, but we have these two accounts right here, and this one I recently created of recent when they did the copy trading, because you have to create a new account. If you don't know how to create a new account, just go to add live account. I personally use 1 to 500, and I use copy trading, as you guys can see. So then you would just open an account. I'm not going to create another one because I already have that. But we're going to go back. Once we get here, you can see we can select the copy trading account. And as of right now, I don't have anybody connected to it. And as you can see, if we go to the right, this is where you would add leaders. So I'm assuming this is where we would go to see the people that will basically be having us trade our money. And honestly, fuck putting my money in other people's hands. I'm honestly thinking about if I could do it myself. Like if I could show you guys show myself how much I risk, show myself that I'm doing this consistently. You guys can put your money with me. I'm not going to do it right now, but bro, this is crazy. Like you can see 85% win rate, 82%, 0% win rate is a little crazy. 24 copies with a 0% win rate. I'm not sure how that works, but if you look at how many people are also copying their trades, 40, 570, like I think 655 is the one with the most. They don't risk a lot, so you can see like how they risk, and you can see how much profit they've made, people. It's crazy, and if I click on them, let's see. Like I'm going through this whole process with you guys. This is crazy to me. We go through here, I can follow them. It shows the win rate. Here are like the advanced stats, trading. They got like the whole portfolio. What do they trade? Euro USD. Okay, how much drawdown did they go into? It looks like they have a pretty good consistency rule, and honestly, this is good. So anybody that's kind of confused, I'm just looking at their stats. I'm looking at the stats of a trader. If you don't understand the market, if you don't understand any of that, I hope you understand business. I hope you understand risk management, because this is who's going to be handling your money. If you don't trade, if you have zero experience trading, you got to understand that this is just numbers. Win rate, meaning they have an 88% win rate. So for every time they take a trade, the chance that I'm winning is 88%. Every time that they risk $1,000, the chance that I'm winning is 88%. Now, I don't know what they're risking per trade, but you can see that they have little notes. Their maximum trades is 12. If you follow me, you must enter in all the trades with me in order to avoid loss. So basically, meaning you have to have each trade actually calculated to be able to get that full win rate. If you're not all the trades aren't getting into, if you're not letting all the trades get taken to your account, you're not going to be able to reach that full win rate. And that's just what it comes. You don't have a great win rate just from 1 day trading, 2 days trading. It's compiled over time, and people don't understand that. But this is cool, and then I just follow them, and then from there, I'm not sure how I would add them to my list, essentially. I'm not really sure. I think I would just maybe follow them. Let me try. I follow them, and then I will basically put the account that I would want it in. And then I'm not sure, I don't have no available money in this account. I just created the account so I can like use the copy trading and everything, but it's definitely worthwhile. And I don't think there's a minimum. Is there a minimum? Yeah, I guess it just goes off of what you have available. There's no anything available on this account just because I didn't fund it. It's a fucking, I made it for this, but this is thorough. And you can also have it as a money, like you change it to, no, I thought you could change it to a percentage, but copy open trades. And then basically copying open trades would mean any trades that are already open, it will be copied into. But nonetheless, this is amazing. I mainly wanted to make this video for the people that don't trade, for the people that don't have experience trading, because trust me, trading has changed my life and has made me so much money, but it's because I've learned a skill. I can make people money. I just choose not to. That's the whole reason FBA Capital is even a thing. FBA Capital is supposed to be a hedge fund. I want people to come to me because I know how to trade. I know how to teach people to trade, and they can come to me with their money so that we can build an empire. I don't need you to spend 4 or 5 years losing your money learning how to trade when I can do it for you. I'd rather you spend your time doing something else. But if you want to learn how to trade, I will teach you too. Trust me, I'm here for whatever you want. If you don't want to learn, if you want to learn, that's perfectly fine. Nonetheless, we're going to make it happen because there's a whole lot of ways to make money in this world. There's a whole lot of ways to get rich. There's a whole lot of ways to become successful. It's just about knowing the path, getting on that path and going the right way. And this right here, this is innovative. It's different. That's all. It reminds me like a PAM account, being able to have like a PAM account, basically like a leader, someone that takes all the trades and people that follow it. There's a lot of potential. Stay tuned for this. I'm more than likely going to have something like this available. I'm more than likely going to do something like this, but not right now. Give me some time. But for all the people that are interested, check out Hanko Trade, open the demo account, open the broker account, try it out. I recommend all of you trying out. You don't got to deposit money right away. Try it out. Let the experience and results speak for themselves. So with that being said, I'm about to continue the rest of my day, get the rest of this vlog going on. So stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys. It's a nice vlog.